today this video will be special because today I came a place which is very massive. There is no people who can disturb me. আজকে আমি এমন একটি জায়গায় চলে এসেছি যেখানে কোনো মানুষ নেই আমাকে বিরক্ত করবে। কিন্তু এটাই হচ্ছে সত্য যে আপনি যখন ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করবেন আপনাকে কোথাও না কোথাও একটি নিরিবিলি জায়গায় যেতে হবে। Whenever you will practice your spoken English, you need to go a place which is very silent, very calm. So that's why today I have come here for making few videos for practicing my spoken English. And you know, I'm passing an incredible time here because I'm practicing my English, and it gives me pleasure when I make few sentences in English when I practice my English. এটা আমাকে সত্যি আনন্দ দেয় যখন আমি ইংরেজি অনুশীলন করি. So that's why today I had a plan. Anyway, I have to go anywhere where nobody will stay over there, and that's why today I came here, and just now I'm practicing my English. I'm trying to make video without mistakes. Before I have made many videos and I have made also different kind of mistakes, but nowadays I'm trying to make video without mistakes. Everyone will make mistake, and I also make mistakes, but it's normal thing for me. I don't focus on making mistake because I know that first step is very hard for everyone, and then it will be easy gradually. So that's why I'm making mistake, and one day it will be great for me. So that's why. But I have to say that the place is incredible. If you want to learn spoken English, you need to go this sort of places. If you have a place inside beside of your house, like আপনার বাড়ির পাশে একটা বড় জায়গা আছে, you can go over there. আপনি সেখানে যেতে পারেন, and then you can make few English videos. এতে করে আপনার মুখের ইনর্সা, লজ্জা বলতে পারেন, ভয় বলতে পারেন, সব কেটে যাবে এবং আপনার ইংরেজি অনুশীলন খুব ভালোভাবে হবে। So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm a crazy person for learning spoken English. That's why I'm making video by going different kind of places. So that's why I'm improving my English. So thank you so much. All the best. Keep learning English.